Here we go. Justin, where you at, dude? What? What is that? That's the Maybach Wrap Reveal outfit?
All day long.
Oh. I'm dead. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and today I am finally picking up the Maybach. It's got a fresh new wrap. It's got some tweaks to it that I'm super stoked about, and I can't wait to show you guys. Gonna take the Lambo today. I've been enjoying this car so much. Seems like the perfect car to take down to get the Maybach. Waiting on my friend Justin. He's inside. I'm not quite sure what he's doing right now. You're gonna wear that the whole way? I can't take you seriously wearing that. That's ridiculous. What even is that?
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit in a Lambo. All right, guys. Let's do it. Driving the Evo top down with Justin in a bunny rabbit mask in the passenger seat. This is freaking hilarious.
We'll beat anybody by a hair. That's a rabbit joke.
Oh my god. Everyone's like, what the hell is going on? I'm really pumped because I haven't actually even seen the Maybach wrap yet. I made sure, I didn't want them to send me any pictures. I want to see it for the first time with you guys. I don't know, if Justin plans on wearing that mask the whole time, I don't even think you're gonna be able to see it.
It'll be interesting.
It'll be interesting for sure. This guy in the Tesla is freaking out. What, you never seen a rabbit in a Lamborghini before? Come on.
People these days. I came out of my hole and everything for this.
Yeah, dude, rough life.
Can't go anywhere.
What is this license plate? Box Lady. All right, Box Lady. All right, I'm gonna put the top back up because it's super hot, but I don't know what that's gonna do to your ears. We'll find out. This guy's exhaust tips on that Camaro are actually bigger than my head. Those are ridiculous.
Not bigger than mine.
Nothing is bigger than your head, dude.
No.
What up? Here we go. Oh, sorry about your ears, man. So it does turn out the headroom in the Evo Spider is not ideal if you are a rabbit. All right, guys, so this is my friend Justin. We've been buddies for a while. He's done a lot of cool stuff in the crypto space. We're actually working on a project together that I'm excited about, and loves cars. And apparently, dude, where did you get that bunny rabbit costume?
Old school Halloween costume.
That's years. And you saved it?
I did.
You ready to see the Maybach, dude?
I'm ready.
This is gonna be sick.
It'll be dope.
It has been so hot recently, guys. Check this out. It is 104 degrees. Apparently, it's going to be 113 degrees this weekend at my house, and not the most stoked about that. Matte Black 8 Series, that looks pretty cool. All right, Justin, what do you think of the new 850 versus the old one?
The old 850 is much better.
I like the old 850.
I had an old 850.
Did you really?
Yeah, the body style is incomparable. 100%.
I feel like the new one, it's really cool, it's really fast, but it doesn't stand out and have a presence like the old 8 Series did. There's something about that car that just looks so cool.
100%. When that 850 dropped back in the day, it was the car.
100%.
I was in New York City, and like if you rolled up with an 850, you were the guy.
I want to be the guy.
Now you're the guy behind the guy.
What does that mean?
That means that you're money.
I think you're the guy behind the guy behind the guy.
Well, that's what she said.
In front. For you OG subscribers, that road up there on the right was actually the place that I reviewed a Rolls-Royce Dawn, and I believe it was the first Rolls I had ever driven. That was such a sick day. Got a nice little M5. I love those cars.
They're dope.
So sick. Oh, sweet color on that G-Wagon. I like that. All right, Justin, serious question. Evo 812 or 600 LT, and why?
Well, they're all amazing cars, but
agreed.
Hands down, the 812.
All right, why?
Because first off, it's like the James Bond of Ferraris, #1.
Fair enough. I like that. The James Bond of Ferraris.
The 007 of Ferraris. #2, you have obviously a V12 Ferrari for lesser price than the LaFerrari, which is dope. #3, you have obviously just an amazing car. I mean, there's nothing more to say about it.
I love that car, guys. It rides so smooth, sounds insane, and yeah, it literally has the same horsepower output as a LaFerrari minus the hybrid powertrain. Obviously not quite as cool looking, although you like it better than the LaFerrari.
I do. I think it's...
You might be the only person on planet Earth, but
well, no,
I dig the compliment.
It's more of a daily driver. You're not going to go drive a LaFerrari every day. You can drive an 812 every day. It's, you know, a practical gentleman's everyday car.
It's got a lot of space in it too. Like this car, I love the Huracan Evo, but there is no space in this car, and just practicality, yeah, it's not in this car's vocabulary. Biker meeting on the side of the freeway. Interesting spot. That old Jag is sick. Wow. Pulling up to Wrap District. You ready, dude?
Yes, sir.
This is gonna be sick. All right, just pulled up to Wrap District. They got an all-new shop. Let's see what they got. Let's see what the Maybach looks like. How's it going, man? Good to see you. What up, dude? Good to see you. What is this, man?
This is the shop McLaren. Check it out.
Holy.
Iron Man special edition. No, this
I've never seen a McLaren like this in my entire life.
No, we did all the work on this car.
Look at this.
Yeah. Got another hood because this is an MSO. We didn't want to cut into the MSO hood. We got
Sure.
another hood. Cut it open. We had this arc reactor custom like water jet.
That's
Lights behind it. We
insane.
have lights all around the car.
Oh my gosh.
Over the engine bay. This thing is
I dig it,
so
wow.
sick at night. At night it just lights up like crazy.
Then you got Iron Man color scheme on the seats too. What does that look like on the underside?
That on the rims.
Oh yeah, wow.
No, there's so many small details. Little Iron Man logos. We custom made these like Mark 570S emblems for the doors. Put reflective tints just to kind of match his like visor, I guess.
I never thought that I would see an Iron Man McLaren. That's amazing.
No, it's pretty sick.
So how does the Maybach look, dude?
You want to see it?
I want to see it. All right, guys, here we go. He's pulling up the Maybach for the first time. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Here we go.
God damn.
Oh man. Here we go, guys. 3M satin black. This actually looks so sick. We've got gloss black Maybach emblem in the front. Gloss black for the V12 logo, the Maybach here, and then another Maybach logo in the back. In the back of the back. Dude, this looks killer. Thank you, man. What do you think?
Super money.
Wanted to change things up a little bit on the Maybach. I think this looks fantastic. The gloss black was a little bit boring and obviously super, super hard to keep clean. I'm freaking in love with this emblem. All right, pulling it up a little further. This thing looks so mean on the road. I'm in love with the satin black. Whew. So the big debate with this car, guys, was whether to black out all of the chrome trim or not. So I want you guys to comment in the comment section below. Do you think the Maybach would look better if all of the chrome sections were gloss black? Although seeing the car now, I kind of like the way it looks with just chrome. Stands out a little bit more. What do you think?
I like it.
Potentially some black wheels, maybe chrome delete. They were talking about some cool.
Let us know what you think about making the rims black.
100%. So this is the new shop.
Yes. So we just moved in literally 2 days ago.
Nice, congratulations.
Thank you so much. But I don't want to give you guys a tour yet. Let us move in. Deck
Sure,
it out
sure.
The way that we like to deck it out. And then I'll have you guys come back. If you guys decide to do the chrome delete, perfect reason to come back, and then you'll be able to check out the facility.
Absolutely. The Wrap District absolutely killed it. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you so much.
You guys, it's up to you guys. Do we do a chrome delete or do we leave it like this? I'm actually at a loss. What would you vote?
I like everything murdered out.
I feel you.
I say murdered out, match the emblems. I would even change the wheels.
Fair enough.
Some 22s.
All right, guys, gonna get some roller shots of the Maybach. So I got Justin in the driver's seat of the Huracan. Gonna drop the top. I feel like this is actually one of the perfect cars for rolling shots because it's a convertible. I'm stoked on the way it looks. Let me know, guys, but I freaking love it. I love the way the logos look. The car just looks so much more badass in satin black than it did in gloss black. Well, there you guys have it. The Maybach wrap is complete. looking sick next to the freshly wrapped Lamborghini Huracan Evo. All right, Justin's taking the Evo home. Drive safe, dude. I forgot how insanely comfortable this car is. It's been gone for 2 weeks now. I have missed it. Man, these seats, just the way the car feels, even stationary. Glad to have the Maybach back. I love the new Maybach emblem just poking out there. That is sick. Evo and the Maybach. There he comes. Man, I love that car. Look at this guy's plate. We got a full-on Jedi in the house. PCH views looking gorgeous as ever. For those of you OG fans who remember when I first moved to California, I actually lived right up there to the right in Santa Monica. Look at the beach today. Gorgeous. Used to drive up and down the California incline right there almost every single video. For a while, I actually wanted to live in these condos right on the water. I think the design of this building is so cool. Unfortunately though, there's absolutely no parking. You get 1 or I think maximum 2 spots. Didn't know what to do with the rest of my cars. I'm super happy with the layout that I have now. Up there in the canyons with tons of driveway space. Just need a bigger garage. The view from this building must be absolutely incredible. Little canyon action in the Maybach on the way home. Definitely not the best canyon carver, but it's definitely comfortable the whole time. Back home with the Maybach. Justin pulling up in the Evo. Well guys, there you have it, the new Maybach Reveal. First time I've had all the cars in the driveway at one time in a while. Maybach looking prettier than ever with the satin black. Of course, the freshly wrapped Lambo, the 812, the Supra, the Cullinan, and then tucked away, the 600 LT in the garage. Oof, this looks so classy, I love it. Well guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Browse the channel and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next video.